Racing just is started. We have Kabake. Break quickly at a start. Moving up now on the outside. Best guys. Watulko in between horses. Down on the inside is para sa akin. Then comes Britney's Glory. While Mapag Hinala is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Kabake. Running by the release para sa akin. 2 lengths further back in third comes Watulko. Britney's Glory. Best guys comes next while Mapaghinala is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Kabake by about 3 lengths para sa akin in second. Watulko. Then here comes Best guys. Now moving up to take fourth. Britney's Glory is running by the rail pip while Mapaghinala is still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn we have Kabake by about 3 lengths para sa akin in second. Watulko. Then here comes Best guys moving up to take third. Then followed by Britney's Glory while Mapaghinala is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Kabake by about 2 lengths para sa akin. Best guys moving up now on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. Kabake para sa akin. Best guys is on the outside. Last 50 meters from gate to wire. We have Kabake. Second is para sa akin. Best guys. Britney's Glory. Watulko. Mapaghinala.
3162, yan ang ating dating